Hey everyone! Welcome to this straightforward tutorial on how to send Tether from Bitmart to Crypto.com in 2025. Tether, or USDT, is a stablecoin that's super popular for quick transfers between exchanges, and with the latest updates in 2025, the process is even smoother and more secure. Whether you're a crypto newbie or an experienced trader, I'll walk you through this step by step so you can do it confidently. First things first, make sure you have verified accounts on both Bitmart and Crypto.com, and always enable two-factor authentication, 2FA, to protect your funds. Let's dive in. Step 1. Log into your Bitmart account. Once you're in, navigate to the Wallets, or Assets, section and locate your Tether, USDT, balance. Step 2. Click on the Withdraw option next to USDT. You'll need to select the correct network. Options like Tron, Ethereum, or BNB Smart Chain might be available, so choose the one that matches your Crypto.com wallet for compatibility. Step 3. Enter the wallet address from your Crypto.com account. To get this, log into Crypto.com, go to your wallet, select USDT, and copy the deposit address. Double-check it to avoid any mistakes. Crypto transfers are irreversible. Step 4. Specify the amount you want to transfer. Keep an eye on the minimum withdrawal limits and any network fees, which could be around 1 to 5 USDT depending on the network you choose. Step 5. Review all the details one last time, then hit Confirm and complete any 2FA verification. The transfer should process in a few minutes to an hour, depending on network congestion. Once it's done, head back to Crypto.com and check your USDT balance to confirm the deposit. Pro tip: if you encounter any delays, use the exchange's transaction tracker or contact support. And there you have it. That's how you securely send Tether from Bitmart to Crypto.com in 2025. Always prioritize security in crypto, and remember to stay updated with exchange policies. If this helped you, give the video a like, subscribe for more tips, and drop your questions in the comments. Thanks for watching, and happy trading.